This exact system just made our electrical client $14,000 in 48 hours with old leads sitting in their system, okay, without him doing a single thing. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how we did it and how you can actually implement this in your trade business. It works for any trade, all right? So this all happened with no ad spend, no sales team, no admin, and no time spent besides doing the actual labor of the job, all right, which he's got a team to do. So this is exactly how we did it. All right. What we did is we created an AI system. We segmented all their leads and inquiries over the last 90 days. We set up a personalized reminder and offer. Okay. We qualified and booked into the text calendar, booked those leads into the text calendar, and we sent reminders to the team and the customer so everybody shows up. Okay. And the job was complete. All right. Very simple, but obviously, there's intricate details here. So essentially what happened was is we built an AI OS and synced it with their service mate system. Okay, we can do it with any tradie CRM. So whatever user, just reference it for yours. Okay, we automatically categorize their contacts. So we found the leads that came through a specific channel, aka their website wanting a quote. Okay, and these are the ones that they just didn't have time to follow up on or chase. So we categorize those contacts. And what we did is we first tested it with the ones that are 90 days old. Okay, so the most recent ones. We prompted the AI with the company and we built it a knowledge base. So basically, this allows the AI to know everything about the company, what the services are, the pricing, the team, everything. Okay, so if the leads or customers ask any questions, it actually talks to them and lets them know what's going on. But its job is to book them in. Okay, but we don't just book anyone in. What we do is we actually get the lead to respond. Okay, saying yes to what that offer is. Then they qualify themselves with the AI question. So the AI will continue to ask them, okay, awesome. What were you looking to do? We saw that you inquired about this. Okay, are you still needing that done? And it'll ask a few technical questions. Okay, if it gets too technical, we say, hey, look, we'll put you onto one of our experts. When's a good time to call? So we don't lose that lead, but we obviously don't want the AI talking about things it doesn't know. All right. So once the AI qualifies them, in the system that comes up as a good lead. And what happens is the AI will recognize that and then prompt it to book a call. So awesome. That's perfect. We can actually do this next week on Thursday. It's 9 a.m. suit. Yes, thank you very much. Books it in the calendar, which syncs with the text calendar, syncs with the team's calendar. Okay, and that books in the job automatically. This all happened. No staff, no admin, no manual time, okay? No paid ads to get those leads. These were leads sitting in the system. We created a smart AI to actually go back and recover those, re-engage, and book them back in, okay? So, guys, if you want something like this, please, here it is. I'll put a document below to actually build this out manually if you want to. Otherwise, you can then, if you're wanting to obviously completely automate this whole process like we've done here, I want to show you a simple system and it's a no-brainer. Okay, so we've built this offer which is called TradeOS. So what TradeOS is a no-brainer offer that actually gets you ROI. Like I said, we just made that company 14K and they've paid for the system for more than 2 years. Okay, it's that simple. So scenario one, just imagine this. You win just 2 extra jobs a month with us. 2 jobs, let's say $1,200 average is 2,400 extra a month. Our TradeOS is only 650 a month. Okay, it's not a software. It's our team coming in and building the systems for you and managing it ongoing. All right, extra profit from just 2 extra jobs is 1,750 per month. Okay, scenario 2, which is more likely, okay, converting 5 more quotes, because not only do we reactivate leads, not only do we handle inquiries, we actually get your quotes converted, because too many companies that we see have around 15 to 30 quotes sitting in pending or not approved yet, averagely. Okay, and what we do is we set up AI systems to actually go and get those quotes converted and turn them into jobs automatically for you as well. Okay, so just imagine what that's going to do for the business, working in the background 24/7. All right, so scenario 2, convert at least 5 more quotes per month at a $1,500 average, $7,500 extra per month. Again, TradeOS doesn't increase from there. You're making an extra $6,850 just by having a quote chaser AI get your quotes approved, because you are too busy to see where everybody's at. Okay, your ROI went from 3x to 12x. Okay, that's how much you're going to increase your investment. Sorry, like that's the kind of investment you're going to get, your return on investment. All right. So that is typical numbers that we are seeing. All right. If this is interesting to you guys, not only that is we have a 30-day performance guarantee. All right. And I'm not just talking about the first month. If you don't win at least 2 extra jobs every single month, you don't pay for the system. Plus, we'll actually jump on a call with you, as we do anyway, and see what's wrong with the lead flow and what's going on there, because you should be getting at least, we have a 2 client guarantee, okay, every month. So if you want to stop losing 24,000 a month, which is what we typically see, okay, it's $150 per week. Our team handles everything. You can cancel anytime. What we can do, right? We have 3 spots every single month to join our TradeOS because we're a small team. And again, 1 job pays for 7 to 12 months of TradeOS. The next thing to do here, guys, there's a link below. You can just book a quick 20-minute call with me. All I want to do, all right, no obligation. I want to see if we're a fit. I want to see if your systems can sync with ours. Okay, we map out your customer flow and I show you where it's going to come in and actually get you more money. Nothing else. All right. It's going to chase your leads, chase your quotes, get more jobs, get more reviews and referrals. Okay. And have an infrastructure that fits into your business that works 24/7. That is all you need with these systems. Nothing complex, nothing overcomplicated. All right. Simple systems. And that's what's been the best for our clients and for us. Okay. The best thing is, like I said, it'll sync with your platforms. It'll sync with ServiceMate, Fergus, Tradeify, SimPro, GHL. We connect your phone numbers, your emails, your calendars. Everything is connected to it. Okay. It's not a software. It's a infrastructure that we build. All right. So right now, the old way, you feel this. Okay. Your phone rings while you're on site, or you're just busy. You miss it. You call back 4 hours later. They're gone already. You send the quote and you forget to follow up. Okay. You're losing 20 jobs a month, which is, way more than 24K. You can't scale past yourself, but with our system, okay, with our team, AI replies to every single inquiry in 90 seconds, whether it's social media, website forms, phone calls, text messages, anything. Every single quote is chased until the customer says, let's book it in. Okay. Or no, thanks, we're good. At least the calendar fills while you work. You're winning 10 extra jobs a month. All right. This is what we're seeing. And you're scaling without hiring more staff, more admin, more ad spend. Okay. This is a no brainer. It's $150 a week. Okay. With an absolute guarantee that you make money. Otherwise, you do not pay. There's no obligation, no risk, no contracts, no nothing. All right. If you are wanting to do this with us, click the link below, book a quick 20-minute call with me personally. That's who you work with. That's who you speak to. All right. And from there, we'll map it out and we'll show you how much money we can save you, make you, and obviously work together for a long time. See you in the next one.